Alright, so let's practice now layering. So the drum track is there. We're gonna layer it with another sample. So we're gonna look at here, opening a browser, and I'm gonna go through my loops and see if I can find a melody that I can do on top of the drums. So if you have a specific instrument you like violin, you can type in strings, or if you know how it's set up. So like I noticed that this has the instrument right beside it, so if I like a violin, type in violin. Here's a violin sample. Now if I was to drag it onto the MIDI track, I don't know if that will work, but I'm going to put it into an audio track here. I'm going to go back here, and I can